Good morning everyone. In this video, I will explain how to balance the chemical equation. Okay, I hope after watching this video, it is very clear and it is very easy to the students. Just let's start it. Suppose there is equation CuSO4 plus NaOH CaOH2 plus Na2SO4. I have this equation and we have to balance it. So in this case, first this is the reactant and this is the product. It is clear to everyone. So first we just check number of reactant in left side, then the number of atoms in right side. So number of copper atoms here only one, and in product copper is 1. Now number of sulfur atoms 1 in this side, and in product it is 1. So both this copper and sulfur is balanced, but number of oxygen atom it is 4 and here 1, so total 5, and here 2 and 4, so total 6. And number of sodium atom here in this side 1 and this side 2, this side 2, and number of hydrogen atom 1 and here 2. Now we have to balance oxygen atoms, sodium atoms and hydrogen atoms. First we balance oxygen atom because the maximum number of atom is only in oxygen atoms. To balancing oxygen atom, because in left side it is only 5 and in right side 6, so we multiply by 2. So CuSO4, so by multiplying this number by 2 plus 2 NaOH, CuOH2 plus Na2SO4. Now we can check here sodium atom 2 and in right side also sodium atom is 2. Left side copper is 1 and here copper is 1. Oxygen 4 plus 2 means oxygen atom is 6, or in this case oxygen is 4 and 2 6. So this is a balanced equation, but after finally when we balanced we should write the state of the atom also. So we are going to write copper sulfate aqueous because we are taking this copper sulfate in aqueous form, and NaOH sodium hydroxide also we should take in aqueous form, and copper hydroxide which we got, this is in solid state, and sodium sulfate Na2SO4 in aqueous form. We are going to take the another example, then it becomes very clear. Suppose there is a equation H2 plus Cl2 2HCl. We have to balance it. Here hydrogen is 2 and in this case hydrogen is 1 atom. So we have to balance hydrogen. So H2 plus Cl2 2HCl. Suppose we should write, then in this case hydrogen atom is 2 and here hydrogen atom is also 2. Chlorine atom is 2 and chlorine is 2. Now this reaction is balanced. Just I am giving the another example, and H2 plus N2 2NH3 ammonia is formed. How it will becomes balanced? Here hydrogen is 2, nitrogen atom is 2, but here nitrogen is 1. So suppose we write down 2 and here hydrogen is 3. So if we write to balance the hydrogen atom, here we write 3H2, then hydrogen becomes 6 and here we write 2, then 3 2 6. So hydrogen is 6 and here also hydrogen is 6. Nitrogen is 2 and here nitrogen is 2. So the number of atoms in this side is equal to number of atoms in that side. So this is a balanced equation. Another one example. Fe plus H2O equal to Fe3O4 plus H2. We have to balance this equation. How we will do? First we just check number of atoms in left side and number of atoms in right side. Fe 1 atom and in this side 3 atoms. Hydrogen 2 atom, in this side 2 atoms. Oxygen 1 atoms and 4 atoms. Maximum number of atoms is oxygen, so we should first select oxygen atom and try to balance it. So just initially in H2O, oxygen atom is 1, and here in Fe3O4 oxygen is 4. So we should multiply H2O by 4 so that we get a high oxygen atom 4. By doing this, we will get Fe plus this H2O becomes 4H2O plus Fe3O4 plus H2. Now here hydrogen atom is 4 to 8, and here hydrogen atom is 2. So we have to balance it, because here only hydrogen is 2 and in left side hydrogen atom is 4. Fe is 3 and here only 1 Fe. So what we should do, when we multiply H2 with 4, then it becomes 8H2O. So Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Then just we check it. Fe1, here Fe3, hydrogen 4 to 8 and here 8, oxygen 4. Everything is balanced except iron, because in right side number of iron atom is 3, but in left side only 3. So we multiply this Fe with 3. So to balancing, we multiply Fe with 3. Now 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2O. Now this is a balanced equation, and finally at the last we will write the state. So iron we will take in the solid form and H2O in the steam form. So we have written gas, and this is in solid form Fe3O4, and hydrogen gas also in the gas form, and this is a balanced equation. So now you can try lots of equation and balance it. It is very easy for you. Thank you.